rub the bag, rub the bag, rub the bag.
Now, this next set we're doing for the tier list, I'm thinking is either gonna be a hit with Maddie or like just
Throw it out.
do not do it. This might make the top or the, I don't know where it's gonna go. I like the peppermint at the end. I don't know, I connect sounds and rhythms to food. Peppermint at the end.
No, it's all like the same note. Like literally they're playing the same note.
That's it.
No.
So you don't hear Rub the Bag too often.
Yeah, like I could see this as like maybe like baby's first set. Like
Yeah.
give this to like a little kid. You know what I mean?
It's got plus and minus points for its name.
There's literally nothing to the song. A little kid could not get messed up. I don't know if I'd put it in F because I think the name gives it points.
It's not a no, but I think
bottom of F.
we are putting it comfortably in the F tier.
F tier.